See the eyes of the demon until him come calling. This is Dreadman, truly dread.
All right, y'all, this is Gunna Pitts coming right back at you. We out here with P0, Zero Tolerance. Everybody know him. If you don't know him, you'll find him at Twigs or any other track. You can get what you want, but Pokey, let's get to the meat. Who do you want on March 19th at Twigs, Macon National Dragway? Bro.
I want that nigga they call Swag, a ponytail and one on. I want to drag the tail on him. He said he want me. He came up to me and said he want me. He better know what he asking for.
Well, hey, let me say this right here. He walked up to you and he said he didn't know you, but it just looked like you had a car.
He gonna get to know me.
He gonna get to know you.
Yeah, he don't play with grown folks.
Hey, Swag is grown now. Come on now.
I know. He ain't grown enough.
But you seen what he did to that Cutlass out there, right?
That's a street car. He running a real car this time, brother.
He running a real car?
Yeah.
You got a roll cage in your car?
Yes.
You do have a roll cage?
I got a 4-point in there.
All right, but I tell you what. You know his stipulations, right?
I sit on his back bumper and rape him.
You gonna rape him?
Rape him.
That's tough talk.
I'm gonna go up in it.
That's tough talk.
Yes,
That's
brother.
tough talk.
Yes, sir.
That's tough talk.
I go straight to him.
All right, so now you want Swag.
Yeah.
And
corn. I want corn too.
Wait a minute, I seen you at South Georgia Motorsports Park last night.
Yes.
You seen them pass the Swag was making.
Whatever. I thought he had some weight in the trunk or something. He didn't impress me.
He didn't impress you?
No.
And the race that you seen down in Garden City, that didn't impress you either?
No. That's a street car.
That's a street car.
I got a nephew run that fast.
A nephew?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, well, you know, I'm just asking the questions and whatnot, so, you know, who else we got on the list?
Quan, Marvin Gaynor.
All right, let's rewind to Quan real quick. Now, what's the issue with Quan right here?
Quan is my personal dog. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
That's my personal dog. I done made him quack 2 times. I'm gonna make him quack one more.
One more.
And then he never get a chance to run me again.
So you're gonna get butter from the duck this
yes,
time?
I'm gonna get all the butter from the duck.
All the butter?
All of it.
All right, so how come in play that you wanted to run with Quan?
Because I done whooped his ass twice.
Okay.
And he keep coming back at me. He done went building. I made him build another car.
Who?
You know that dude they call Superman?
Yeah, I heard of Superman.
They put Superman motor in the car, run some 580s, and come down to Port McConnell, and I whoop him.
Well, did he borrow the motor or did he buy the motor?
Well, they do a lot of bar shit right now, you know what I'm saying? I buy all mine.
Okay. Yeah. I'm just asking.
Yeah.
All right. Now let's get to Marvin Gaynor. Now, you know them Gaynor boys is deep.
That's all it is, deep. I got one problem with running the Gaynor bar. I got to get the hell out that way before they won't run into me. That's the only problem I got with running them. I got to go and get the hell out their way because I'm gonna cut their nuts out on the tree and they gonna goddamn shock the car and lose control. And they wreck by the damn self. I know what they'll do with me on side on.
Wait a minute now, Cinderella Man. Are you familiar with Cinderella Man?
I don't give a damn about it.
Flatline Mafia.
Shit happened.
Okay. But you know he's hell on a tree.
I'm hell on the tree too.
Joe. As a matter of fact, Joe was only like 21, 19. Joe was between 19 and 21 years old. That's the driver of the car.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Well, he gonna wish he was 25.
Grown man status.
Yes, grown man status, bro. Can you hear me now? Hold on, let me take a pause for the call. Drink me a little alcohol. Now back to what you saying, brother?
Getting back to Flatline Mafia. Flatline Mafia is hell.
Yeah, he look like hell.
I'm telling you, Flatline Mafia is hell.
Oh yeah?
I'm telling you.
What tell him be down on 19? Can you get him down there?
Flatline Mafia will be there with bells on.
Okay.
That's guaranteed. That's money in the bank.
Okay, well I'll be there too. Matter of fact, I got my driver over there. My driver gonna drag down. I'm gonna come in with a big booty.
Hey, let me ask you a question, folks. Seriously, all jokes aside, are you familiar with Flatline Mafia?
I really don't know him. I really don't care.
Did you see the car? They got the silver Mustang. They got JYS Racing on the front, on the windshield.
I think I seen it the other night.
Yeah, they were down in South Georgia last night. They made that impressive.
Look real good.
Yeah, look good.
But have you ever heard this?
What's that?
Shit happen in racing, though.
Shit does happen in racing.
Okay then.
Okay.
You seen what happened what it 14 karat gold, 24 karat gold?
Okay.
Okay. Shit happened in racing, though.
Shit does happen.
Okay then.
All right, well, Pokey, while I got you right here, you were down at South Georgia Motorsports Park last night. You seen what was going on. You seen what happened.
Yes.
Florida is real disrespectful. Just totally disrespectful to the state of Georgia right now.
We're gonna take care of them.
We're gonna take care of them.
All things calm in a little time.
There you go. All right. Now you know I ride or die for Georgia.
Yes, sir.
But you know my motto. May the best man win. And Florida has been handing us our asses.
They gonna get what they want. This is our year.
But you know, I spoke to Terry Butler. Terry told me the history. He said that even 10 years ago they came down here and handled business.
Well, you know, they got a bigger popularity than we do. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Our problem is we don't stick together. You know what I'm saying? They stick together. You know what I'm saying?
They all sticking together.
Yeah, they swap motors and everything. They do what they got to do to win the race. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
But once we get that taken care of this year, we have them.
We'll have them.
Yeah, we have them.
Well, I can't wait for it.